Every day, millions of people all over the world experience what is called poetry in motion. This is the world of Hyundai, a name that reflects brilliance on the road. Hyundai Motor India forms a critical part of Hyundai Motor Company's global export hub. In India, it is the largest passenger car exporter by volume, supplying vehicles all over the globe. It is also the second largest car manufacturer in the country. Here at the outskirts of Chennai at Sri Perumbudur is Hyundai's fully integrated manufacturing plant, which rolls out a car every 72 seconds.
We have 9 countries and 30 plants in all over the world, and we have 200,000 employees all over the world. We have same production methodology and same production quality standard, and we have new car quality development system all over the world to maintain the same quality.
A state-of-the-art facility incorporating cutting-edge technology in every aspect of production, combined with a rigorous quality testing benchmarks at all stages. Take you on a journey of discovery to find out what it takes to create brilliance. And here's the man in charge of creating brilliance, Mr. Sarangarajan.
Welcome to Hyundai Motor India, the world's best plant. I don't call it a world's best plant because it has the latest machine, because it has the excellent people working inside, the way they work and the kind of facilities we are given, and also make it sure it is the safest working place and the great workplace. These are the reasons why I call it as the world's best plant. We have 2 plants in this, and totally we make 9 different models.
It all begins here at the press shop, and we have with us today Mr. Ashokan. Hello sir, how are you? So tell us, it's nice to meet you too. What goes into the making of a sedan?
Car making is one of the most interesting process in manufacturing industry. The raw material, which is made of steel sheet, is received in the form of big coils weighing 10 tons. The big rolls are unwound and cut to precisely to the required size, now which are blank sheet metal are stored model wise.
Wow, but where are all of these stamp sheets being sent?
Now blank sheet metal moved to the one of the most advanced and unique press with a capacity of 5,400 tons, having robo beam for high dimensional accuracy, quality and productivity. A total of around 250 tons of steel stamped in every day in press shop.
Isn't it just amazing? The making of a perfect car has begun now.
This stamping operation starts in 4 stages: forming, trimming, hole piercing and flanging. That gives you a panel like doors, hood, roof, etc.
It's on the move now. Let's get into the next process. So how is this body shop different from other car manufacturing units?
Body shop is a world-class state-of-art of technology where we produce multi-models in single line.
And how does the process of welding begin?
Here, 100% spot welding process is robotic, having 186 robots which builds best weld quality. The process starts from the floor line where front, center, rear floor are welded together to form the basic structure of the body. Then it moves to the body build line where floor, side outer, roof are welded together in a high accurate servo motorized main structural butt to get high dimensional accuracy, stability, fit and finish for the finished car. Then it moves to a re-spot line where body getting strengthened to improve impact and collision strength for safety of the customer. In body complete line, moving parts such as doors, hoods, fenders are installed by using auto adjustment machine to ensure gap and clutch quality. Then the body moves to the final inspection where it is inspected 100% and then to paint shop for further process.
The car has now got the perfect shape and body line. Now it's time to paint the canvas of luxury and style.
Paint shop is one of the most modern shop with automated painting system. It has online VOC monitoring system to ensure it is eco-friendly paint shop. Body cell passes through pre-treatment and electro-deposition dipping process to give higher corrosion resistance. Then sealant is applied on weld joints to protect water entry and rust formation. Once the preparation is over, the robo applies paint to final color coat with high gloss surface finish. In order to manage numerous color variants which Hyundai offers, the robo changes the paint application without interruption in the production process.
Awesome! Now you know what it takes every time you choose a color for your dream Hyundai car. Vroom, vroom! And now it's time to visit the House of Power, the heart of every Hyundai car, the engine and transmission assembly. So Mr. Alvar Sami, tell us a bit about this brilliant piece of engineering.
Welcome to this powertrain plant. We have the biggest plant in the country. This plant has modernized, advanced, computer-controlled machineries and toolings and test facilities which will enable us to produce wide range of engines and transmissions which meets the expected and needs of the customers in all aspects.
We have an excellent facility in aluminium foundry which is fully automatic with the robots, etc. This is one of the kind in India where the efficiency of the aluminium foundry is more than 90% and the rejection is less than 1%. One of the best performing aluminium foundry in the automobile industry in the world.
And now we've come to the really exciting part where it all comes together at the assembly shop. So tell us, Mr. Alvar Sami, how do all of the pieces fit and the cars come together?
See, in the assembly process, the cars are assembled in a moving conveyor which is predetermined speed. And all the parts are assembled into the car on moving conveyor itself. Yeah, you can see that there are different shapes and colors of the cars which go in the conveyor. Because the customer's requirements are unique from car to car and different from other customers. And as you know, we produce export cars also the same line. So when there is an order for a Europe, you have to just do for Europe. We cannot fit the parts which meant for South Africa country or India. So that is the beauty of this line. And customer safety is assured. We have a system called Hyundai Integrated Vehicle Inspection System which will ensure the torque in the line. If there is any non-conformance, or there is not torque is controlled, the car cannot go out from this shop. That's how we take care of the customer requirements in this plant. In the assembly process, we assemble the crash pad, which otherwise call it as cockpit, with the loaders, which determines the ride and control of the vehicle, and then a body which is crosses the trim line, get into the chassis marriage stage, where your entire underbody, power unit, engine and transmission, front axle and rear axle with the entire exhaust system is getting assembled together with a little effort only. It is totally automated. And then from there onwards, it moves to the final line where we will be loading your front end assembly, where your radiator is assembled and the entire shape of the front is get into that. And then it goes to the OK line. From OK line, it is stamped for any of the fit and finish conditions.
I must say that all these departments process perfectly to get a luxury set on the wheels. And to top it all, there's a test track to take a royal drive. And to make it the best, every car goes through a pre-delivery inspection at this yard just before it gets shipped out.
We carry out a campaign like Act 302. This is the involvement of all the shop floor people to carry out the improvement activities in their workplace. The improvement activities can be on safety or quality or productivity or ergonomics. In the year 2012, we have carried out more than 4,500 projects under Act 302. This has resulted in more than 400 million rupees cost saving, and also more than 95% of our people participated.
Get behind the wheel and you experience not just a drive, but a journey into a world of new thinking and new possibilities. Hyundai practices best manufacturing and quality production, so quality and safety assurance is a must. Always walk between the white lines marked on the floor. Always wear safety protective gear wherever required. Always wear shoes. Avoid entering restricted areas. While driving, follow the prescribed speed limit and traffic rules. Be safe.